Hello and welcome back to tip number 15 in this 30 Photoshops tip course. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change to the dark theme to save your eyeballs in Photoshop. So let's jump straight in, and we're just going to come up to edit and we're going to come to preferences. I'm just going to click general, and then on the left hand side we've got the interface tab. And you can see up the top we have this color theme. So currently I'm on the lightest theme, and we also have a super dark theme, and then we have 2 shades of grey in the middle. So from light to dark, I'm just going to click OK so we can see what's going on. A couple of points. One, if you spend way too much time in Photoshop like me, the dark theme can help your eyes. It depends how you like to work. If you spend a lot of time or if you work late into the evenings, then having the dark theme is good. Quite often at night I'll switch to the dark theme. It's just nicer really in the evenings. Helps you unwind and starts relaxing your eyeballs. And then you can also see your canvas nice and brightly. It also kind of emphasizes your work. So let's come up to edit and preferences and general. We've also got others, so depending on how you're feeling you can swap between them too. For now I'm just going to leave mine nice and bright. So there you go, that is how you can change the color theme in Adobe Photoshop to save your eyes. Thank you very much for joining me in this quick tip. I shall see you in the next one.